Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Today we are going to discuss these two companies, biotech stocks, biotech stock bubbles, Bluebird, calling a crash, downgraded to strong sell $185 an hour. I dedicated several articles and case studies to Bluebird, and I refer to Bluebird, one of the greatest scams in the US stock market. And it is normal that today you have the new 52-week low, $39.25. This is the first time that I'm recommending to reduce the size of the short position in Bluebird. Having said this, I also call your particular attention for the scam announced a couple of months ago by a Wall Street firm saying that Bluebird was worth $160. Is this very well known? It is the same firm that said that oil was going to $200. And on the left-hand side, in my opinion, one of the greatest Ponzi schemes ever in the stock market, in the biotech stocks. ACAD Pharmaceuticals downgraded here to strong sell, junk within $48 to $52. And you have an article on the blog of the company precisely saying that the top will be within $48 to $52. It's pretty normal that today you have a new 52-week low in ACAD Pharmaceuticals. So this stock by far even better short compared to Bluebird. Nevertheless, both stocks some of the best historical selling short opportunities in the market, and also in my opinion Bluebird even better, as I said a few months ago, than Valiant that we also played the crash in Valiant. The other stock that I recommended, there are many biotech stock bubbles, all of them they collapsed, they crashed. I'm referring to, and you have on the website of the company, this one, INSY Pharmaceuticals. Recently, a couple of weeks ago, this stock was trading around $29, and I was recommending to triple the size of short positions in this company. So today you have a new 52-week low. This is also one of the greatest scams and Ponzi schemes ever in the markets, in the biotech stocks. And you should always study the reason, for example, why this company has recently announced that they are changing their name. If they are changing their name, something very serious was going to happen. So you have a crash in INSY Pharmaceuticals, you have a crash in Bluebird, you have here the share price, $39.31. The stock was not worth, obviously, $160. That was one of the greatest scams in the stock market, and it was not obviously worth $225 as Wall Street had buy ratings and price targets to that price. So what I've been saying, I repeat, today it is the first time that I'm reducing the size of short positions in Bluebird. Well, having said this, you also had more stock picks on the short side, very comparable in fact with Bluebird, AGIO Pharmaceuticals, other stock that collapsed, and it had to collapse. A bit better, quite frankly, than, in my opinion, Bluebird, but all of them constituted stock bubbles. So when I announced that I sold, and you also have that call live on the website of the company, when I announced that I sold shares of Amgen, the best and the #1 biotech company in the world, at $180, well, the rest obviously was going to collapse. Okay, so if the #1 I was recommending to sell, and you had this article and my call available for several months, the rest was going to collapse. So my bet on the short side was not obviously Amgen, that will be ridiculous, but instead all these stocks that I referred here for several months, the case of ACAD Pharmaceuticals, the case of Bluebird, AGIO Pharmaceuticals, INSY, and several others, and some of them they are not yet public since they constitute sensitive information and available only to subscribers. But I repeat that there are by far more stock picks and all of them, they have been doing what I expected them to do. So don't invest in bubble stocks. You knew that there was a bubble in the biotech stocks. Last year in 2015, I dedicated an article to it, and we recommended to double, to triple, and in some cases to quadruple the size of short positions, aiming at maximum profit, and therefore the crash that I announced last year in 2015 in the markets. And by the way, congratulations to all those that they have been following my guidance in the biotech industry. Thank you.